Hello guys, we're gonna do, we have surprise eggs. We have lots of them. So they're all beside me, and I'm gonna show them, and I'm going to put them right here. So we're gonna get started. First one. They might have one thing in it, two things, or three things, or maybe four. So we're gonna get started. Here's the first one. It looks like this one has two. So it looks like we have Bun Bun Slipper in yellow. And then it looks like we have Silly Chili. Let's do this big one. It flies open. So we have 3 Shopkins. We have Brie Fishner. We have Lana Lamp. Coffee. Next one. We have pecan pie. Next one. We have how did we get another toffee coffee? That must have been a mistake. Sorry. Here's green one. We have Wedgie Wendy. And in the background when you hear music, it's because my mom and dad are rocking out to music. I am upstairs doing a video. We have Alfoil. Next one. Feels heavy. There's 3 of them. So as you can see, it looks like we have Pink Bun Bun. So I'm going to put it right behind. Wait, I'm going to do it right in front of Yellow Bun Bun. And then we have Brie Fishner in yellow. So I'm going to put it behind the other Brie Fishner. And then we have Chocolate Lava. I'm going to put it right there. Next one. We have 3 again. We have Dribbles, which is a baby. We have Familia Pancake. Comment if this is Cupcake Chick or Cupcake Chic. So comment and tell me what that is. We're gonna do a pancake. We have Zappy Microwave. We have a blues one. We have 2 in here. We have Mary Muffin and Danny Danish. So we have still more eggs. So looks like we got 3. So we have Pasta. We have Juicy Orange. And we have Wendy Washer. No. Let's move this so you can see them. Here's another one. We have 2 in here. We have Sneaky Sue. And then we have Cherry Churro. So let's move these back here so you can see them. Next one. It looks like we have Yellow Promi. Oh. And then we have Yummy Gum. Here we go. Here's another one. It's Lisa Litter. So we're going to set it right back here. Here's another one. Coffee drip. Here's coffee drip. Okay, so we have 3 more surprises. And it looks like they're all Shopkins. We have 2 in here. We have an ultra rare Olivia oil. Since she's so rare, I'm going to put her right here in front. And then we have another baby one. Shampoo Sue. I'm going to sit right here. Oh. Shit. Oh. My dribbles is falling down. There we go. 2 more. We have Betty Boop. The last one. I'm going to open it with them right here so you can't see me open it. We have Sarah Softener. Last Shopkin. Betty Boop. In a different color. So that was surprising. So the other day I'm gonna show you something. So say bye-bye. Those Shopkins are gonna go bye-bye. So now, the other day, wait, I'm gonna show you now. My finger was in the way. Sorry. We got this Shopkins, the Ultimate Collector's Guide. Includes Season 1 and Season 2 Shopkins and poster. I already took the poster out. It was in the back. So, at the back, so at the front, it'll tell you some of the things. So, beg your parents to get this. But if they say no, that's probably for a good reason. I got this at a book fair. It's $6 at my book fair. So it's cute. So ready? 1, 2, 3. So if you guys liked that video, please subscribe and like us, and we will do great. And let's see, beg your parents and leave a comment down below. Let's do, what was your favorite Shopkin that we got? So we have all kinds of Shopkins. So yeah, comment down below and tell us which one. So say bye bye to your Shopkin friends.